Welcome back to another video. Sit back, relax, enjoy the show. MeiaSoQuick with the uploads. Intro's over. Subscribe before you go. Welcome back, everybody. It's MeiaSoQuick, and in today's video, doing something a little bit different. Okay, my nephew, his room is a disaster, and I felt like, okay, what better way than, you know, I'm gonna paint these walls. I'm gonna do this whole room over. So go ahead and let's take a look at this awful before, okay? All right, so let's take a look. So here you can see this room is a disaster. Oh gosh, when you come in it, this is what we're looking at, okay? And it's a mess. So the room used to be Cars themed, so we had yellow, red, and blue walls, which he's definitely outgrown. And then he decided he was a vampire and didn't like the sunlight and took a bedroom sheet and threw it over the window. And yeah, the bed is just kind of sitting on, what the heck is this called? Anyway, so there we go. And then literally this is what we're working with, but we are going to turn this into something, you know, nice, from the closet, everything. So we're going to try to do a whole room makeover because it definitely needs it. Okay. So yeah. So yes, that is what we're working with. And so hopefully you guys just stick around and see how we turned this thing into some magic. All right, stay tuned. Okay, so here we are about to get started. The first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have to get rid of all the dust, and we've already cleaned up the room and the baseboards. So I'll also be taping around the carpet just to kind of make sure that I'm protecting that, so when I paint over it, nothing seeps down. So yeah, here we go. So at this point you can see where I went in, I started putting the gray on the first wall. You can see that I cut in at the ceiling all the way at the top. I got the ceiling as well as the cut down at the bottoms near the baseboards. And I just finished putting some hot mud on the walls to kind of go ahead and repair some of the places where there were holes. So I'm gonna let that dry before I actually slap paint on those walls. So that wall was pretty busted up, as well as this wall over here, where we took a couple of times trying to figure out how to hang up a TV, and it caused a lot of holes, if you can see it. I'm not sure, but so my next thing is I'm gonna be taking the black paint and I'm gonna pretty much cut the top of the wall next to the ceiling and the bottom of the baseboards with just the black now, and I'll let you guys see me do that. All right, guys, so at this point I have laid down a first coat of gray on my two opposite walls. So over here, this wall, that's got a whole first coat down. This back wall, you can see we were having fun, but I did the cutting in, all of that, and I wrote my nephew's name. And then we've got our side wall over here. So I'm just gonna open up my can of black paint and I'm gonna get started with rolling this out. It's gonna take a couple, like 2 coats, and we should be able to finish that. And then, yeah, we'll see how that looks, and then I'll show you guys when we're done. All right, so I officially don't know what day it is that we're working on this, but for today, all the painting of the walls are done. So now it's just gonna be me going through and doing some touch-ups for wherever needs it, and gonna be tearing up this paper that we have on the floor. So for the most part, it came out pretty good. I got like one spot that I need to touch up on right there, but everything looks pretty clean. All right, so getting more and more of the room put together. We've got all the lights up on the wall, and I went and bought a dresser that's fitting really good. I'll show you guys what it looks like. So there's the dresser right there. It fits in really nice, and you can see the lights are up all the way around the ceiling. So next, I'm just gonna clearly get the bed together, and I'm gonna get a chair in here and clear off the coffee table, and then we're gonna start putting some posters on the wall. So here it is with our room looking now. We got the bed set up and the lights, everything's looking good, dresser. So now we have a bunch of posters. We're into anime, and we're gonna try to figure out a way of how to get these on the wall. And so yeah, let me go ahead and do that. First time I stuck with was Brooke. You don't want to go higher, you want to start there? Or I mean, it's up to you, I don't care.
Yeah,
where's my tape? Mine don't. Should I? Yeah. Smooth it down and press. There you go. Okay. What's the next one? What's the next one? Frankie. Where's Frankie? I'm gonna put him on that side. Okay, is anything else going down there or no?
Next to small one.
You don't need to know what you're doing.
I want to get the big one first.
Alright.
Stay tuned.
Cool, good.
Say the same person.
Alrighty, so here it is, all done with the whole room. It looks good. There's my niece trying to be on camera. So that's everything, as you guys can see. It's all around. I got a matching rug and all these posters everywhere.
Watching One Piece.
Right? Okay. So that is our total room makeover, which only took me about a month because I was procrastinating on everything. But thank you guys so much for watching, and be sure to hit the like, hit the subscribe, comment below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. All right, bye.